I pursued Bravo. You get it? But I stand in my truth, and I pursued Bravo, period. Period. Liema can attest to that, Diddy can attest to it. What made me upset now is Ashay couldn't attest to it.
What?
Ashay, when you said, Ashay, then he's like, Bravo, I think Trixie must... Fuck being a nice guy, just fucking say it. Because at the end of the day, he also needs to hear it. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But me, I'm standing my truth, yes.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, the thing is I'll never go back and forth with the Kelly, but I found myself in it.
Yes, now, go change your clothes, put it in the bag, wear your...
Love you, give me a sir.
I love you too, bro.
Thank you, I'm sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
To make you feel like that.
Yes, but don't entertain it.
I'll never entertain it. Yeah.
Trixie?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I didn't like that.
Okay, I'm sorry, Trixie. I apologize.
We're fucking in the house, but it's not for the house.
I'm sorry. Let me tell you, the thing that I said now is something we spoke about outside, and he actually said yes, he did approach me. He did share me. So that's why I brought it up here with you here. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but it's not nice.
What happened? What did I do now?
No, it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is.
I'm asking because
I will tell you in the morning. I didn't like the fact that you didn't own up for what was said here when he said, Ashay, he asked your opinion. And if you had to give your opinion, I wouldn't have felt some type of way. Because you said, I think you must ask Trixie.
Yeah,
but
Vele,
I persuaded Bravo. You get what I'm saying?
Why is it always ask Ashay, ask Ashay?
It's not about
I'm sitting
ask Ashay.
quietly and not involved. Every time ask Ashay, I don't want to be involved in things. All the time ask Ashay, Oh.
And the Upside Down show is officially cancelled.